The hotel microwave chef is back at it again. I am making sweet potatoes and I am using all of the leftover ingredients in my mini fridge. Child, I am really trying to get all of that butternut squash out, okay? I am using the rest of the dipping sauce from my spring rolls and I'm trying to get all that out too. And I am using leftover broth from my ramen. It's not throw up, you guys. Trust me. Trust the process here. Now I am mixing it all together. It's a beautiful color, isn't it not? Then I am going to take my sweet potatoes and my mix that I've made, and I'm going to pop it in a microwave. I am using the baked potato setting, and yeah, we're going all the way, okay? All right. First opening, our sweet potatoes are definitely soft. And then I am adding my concoction, and we're going to go ahead and throw those sweet potatoes right back into the microwave. Now, you know you got to do this a few times until the sweet potatoes are soft the way you want them. But this is how it turns out, you guys. I've been mashing and mashing each time. I'm adding some hotel salt. And I am adding some hotel sugar, which really is not that good. But nonetheless, it came out good. Okay, you guys, trust the process. It really did come out good.